So who chooses your soundtrack?
A friend of mine helped me with this, and I kind of started our takeoff song late because I was with the tower and that other aircraft, I saw them coming in. Then the birds come out in front of you. See all that little flock of birds? Like, I don't want to run over the little birdies. They're a better flyer than I am. You know, I'm in their world. But yeah, I try to work on it. It's an ongoing work in progress. Look at all the waterfalls up through there. I saw just. Sparking VFR, Blue 24. Just switching us out. Trying to show you guys a pretty nice waterfall. It's called Falls.
In our own world, we'll be okay. Oh, yeah.
See if we can see it up through here.
Clock ticks faster on these days. Yeah. And ticking talks the way can love rushes. Let's try to relate. In a bright world, we'll be okay. Whoa, yeah.
Okay, on the left side, that's the Falls.
We'll be under the moon.
Now you can do zip lining over here too.
Dancing away like two silhouettes in the sand.
See that lower one right there? You can zip across that.
Can you see me? Or is this a dream? Whoa, yeah.
on the left side, guys, this is a $32 million mansion. You can land 3 helicopters on the top. It's pretty cool. This is all eucalyptus trees. At one time, this whole coastline was sugarcane. They gave it up. The introduction of saccharin, aspartame, NutraSweet, and all that. Price of sugar dropped. They couldn't compete in the world market anymore. Look at these waterfalls. These are pretty cool. Can you see that, Yvonne and John? Look at that one way up there. Now we're going to land over here by this waterfall. Now there's a lot of wind coming off of this thing. And the grass has kind of grown up a little bit out there. You've got to be really careful. Watch your step. I can take pictures for you if you like. Look at all these waterfalls. Isn't that amazing? Guys, if you see the natives peering through the jungle there, it's all right. Just don't make eye contact with them, okay? I'm going to slide over to this pad. showed you guys, well, this is going to be better here, I think. There we are. I'll make sure it's good and solid. I like it. You guys, I'm sorry we don't have like any like pizza service or anything out here. Getting deliveries out here is really hard, you know. This is called Lapa Hoi Hoi Nui. Just waiting for it to do its little cool down. Now, when you exit the aircraft, make sure you go around the front. Don't go around the back because it's got antennas and all that kind of stuff. And we can, oh, I'm sorry, we can go right over there and take pictures of you. I parked out this way because there's a lot of wind coming off of this thing. You wait. And if I park that way with the tail sticking up there, we get a lot of wind up the exhaust. We don't want a hot start. So watch your step out here, watch your footing. The grass is a little bit tall. There's a lot of rocks in there too, okay? So just be really careful. All right.
Does Blue Hawaiian own this?
No, this is privately owned. They got some kind of deal worked out with them, and it cost them, I'm sure, some big money to come in here and land, but it's good. I used to fly the owners out here and stuff too when they got ready to do this, and boy, it's really popular. A lot of people like to come out here. It's like, you know, you think about it, it's like the only time you're going to be this remote and this close to an incredible waterfall like that. So now, guys, what we're going to do is just like do what they call a maximum performance takeoff. Just pull the power, kind of set it, and just come up just like Jurassic Park. Let me know if you see any of the natives shooting some arrows and stuff at us. We'll pull a little bit harder. Alrighty, here we go.
Hold my hand.
This might be a good time for this one. Just kind of pull it up here off. Now we got one skid off and two skids off. Waves, isn't it awesome? See this trail over here on the beach? That's part of the old King's Trail. See how these waterfalls are pretty made. Now we got the Department of Land and Natural Resources down here. Seeing that helicopter. So all these waterfalls right here, basically it's all rainwater. It's just drainage. landslide right there. Big chunk of that broke off. Kind of looks like Jurassic Park 1, huh? The original. And this is where the road dead ends on the north side of the island. It's called Pololu. Highway 270. Let's do another little circle out here where you can see the whole coastline over there. This is the most northern point. Maui's over there, about 28 miles. Can't really see it because of the cloud buildup in the bog. The bog's that volcanic organic gas. So it should be good for us, right? Because it's all organic. North shores of Kohala right there. Now we're heading up to cattle country. See where all the cars are parked? They were hiking down into the that valley right there. See this dirt spot on this valley? There's like a little bench over there. It's supposed to be some famous bench known for, I guess, a lot of celebrities and stuff. See that dirt area? There's a bench. A lot of Facebook photos on there. Or from there, I should say. It may feel a little